how to add XY coordinates in QGIS in 2025. So first of all, if you want the X and Y coordinates for point data, it's fairly simple to do in QGIS. There's actually two ways you can go about doing it. This is the easiest, with the second being done in field calculator. So first of all, you have to add your data to QGIS. Like as you can see from the processing toolbox, you just have to simply click on vector geometry and then add geometry attributes. And once it has been added, open the processing tools and search for the add geometry attributes tool. And as you can see, you have to just double click on add geometry attributes tool, and as you can see, the add geometry attributes, the algorithm computes geometric properties to the features in a vector layer and the data and layer CRS, and you can just click on run in the background. Execute the tool, it will create a new layer called added geometry info that will add a X code and Y code volume or column to your data. And as you can see, added geom info like featuring X and Y code. So that's it. This tool also gives you the option to adding the data protection. The projection is specified in QGIS. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.